Best bites forever.
Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Chef Alicia, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make fettuccine alfredo. The first thing that I'm doing is shredding up my Parmesan cheese. I'm going to need 2 cups finely shredded for my sauce and some extra for my little Parmesan crisps, which I am making as a garnish. I also have started my very salty boiling water over on the stove so that I can cook my noodles while I'm making my little crisps here. To make these, and these are totally optional, but they make a cute garnish and they add some texture, you know, a little bit of crunchiness to the dish, so I do suggest adding them on. To make these, all you have to do is pile a little bit of Parmesan onto a silpat. That's one of those silicone baking mats, and I have that on a sheet pan. They go into the oven at 400 degrees until they're crispy. I would start watching them around 4 minutes because they do burn really easily once they start to cook, and that's what they are going to look like. I have my noodles boiling over here to the side, and this is going to be my sauce. So in this pan, I have 1 stick of butter, and to that I am adding 1.5 cups of heavy cream. I'm just going to stir that until it all comes together. I have my heat on low right now. I'm just kind of going to keep it on low until I get my butter melted into my cream. At first, when you're doing this, it kind of looks like it's not going to come together, like it looks like the butter is staying separate, but trust me, if you just keep going for a few minutes, it will definitely come together for you. I'm also going to add some nutmeg into this sauce. Just a tiny little pinch is all you need, probably 1/8 of a teaspoon or so. That nutmeg is going to help bring out the flavor of the cream. I'm also using a little bit of ground white pepper. If you would like to use black, you can, but to me, I don't want the little black flecks in my sauce, so I use the white pepper. Again, probably 1/8 to 1/2 of a teaspoon, and then some kosher salt. For me, 3/4 to 1 teaspoon is perfect. Once I get some bubbles in my sauce, which I have moved up to like medium-low heat, I'm going to go ahead and add in that cheese. One of the things that I really love about my microplaner is it does this super fine grade of anything that you want to grade on it, but in this case the cheese. So when you add the cheese into the sauce, it melts in really nicely. It just melts in. It's so smooth and creamy. Look at this. This sauce is so easy to make, and we are ready to add in the noodles. I cooked those for 8 minutes. Very salty water. I drained them and I just tossed them around in a little bit of butter, and now I'm going to toss them around in my sauce. Here I'm using my tongs. It just makes the job a little bit easier, and I want to get them nice and coated. Once I do that, I'm going to twirl just a small amount up so that it kind of stands taller onto the plate, and then I'm going to put that Parmesan crisp right into the middle of it all, and this is what it's going to look like when it's all finished. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy, everyone.
bestbitesforever.com